Let's go check out the Caboose. I couldn't fit the key in a lockbox. We're in. Come on in and take a look around. The Caboose is used as an Airbnb. Let me show you a couple features in here. This is a trundle bed. It pulls out. This was a functioning Caboose. 2 sets up here for conductors to sit up top. Get up in here and watch traffic go by out on the road if you want to. And the waterfall's right outside the window. These are the pool balls that open up the top of the water tower over here, which serves as the bathroom. Everything in here is custom and rustic. I think anyone who has appreciation of railroad could just collect a lifetime and not have this much. You could get it like all in one purchase here. You keep making fun of my hat. I'll throw in my hat. I just had this laying around the office.